Dark manipulation tricks to manipulate like Johan Liebert. 1. If you stare at someone's lips during a conversation, they may think you are interested in them. However, if you look at their forehead, they will feel insecure and stop talking. 2. How to know if someone is lying. If you suspect that someone is lying, silently look into his eyes. If he is lying, then he will be scared that you have found out that he is lying. He will give more details to make it sound more believable. Remember, if he does this, he is lying. 3. If you want to get a correct answer or information, don't ask a question. Just make a false statement. People are quicker to correct a wrong answer. In this way, they will reveal the information you need. It is called Cunningham's Law. It can be a more powerful way of getting the best and most accurate information. 4. Let your actions speak louder than your words. People remember what you do more than what you say. 5. To stop someone from talking. Drop something on the floor and after picking that thing up, interrupt him. 6. Do you have a crush on someone and you want to find out if she also likes you? Use this trick. The next time you will be with her in a group setting, make an unfunny joke. If she laughs or smiles, then it means she also likes you. 7. Be the last to speak. Listening first allows you to fully understand others' perspectives. 8. If someone makes a joke about you, silently look into his eyes until he breaks the eye contact. Do this only when that person is a stranger to you and you are stronger. Please subscribe to learn more psychology tricks.